The new checkout feature inside of AutoCAD 2027 introduces a brand new way for teams to collaborate on shared DWG files stored in Forma Data Management. When a drawing is locked, additional users can check out specific geometry they need to modify, allowing multiple contributors to work in parallel. Edits are made in an isolated editing environment. When finished with making edits, you can submit the edits as a trace for review. Once the edits have been reviewed, you can safely merge back the accepted edits to the source drawings when you're ready. This approach reduces conflicts and accidental overwrites while keeping teams productive and in control of shared drawings.